What's going on, guys? Landon Huffman here, back with another video. It is actually a really nice day in North Carolina today. We're headed over here to Concord to check out Carroll Speed Shop. We're going to go in here to my new home away from home for 2025. Yes, Huffman Racing is still home base, but Carroll Speed Shop is essentially a larger home base this year. We're running full time in the car store for Carroll Speed Shop in the 57 machine and the Triple Crown. So we're going to go over here to the race shop, and then we're also going to take a tour of our new sponsor, Industrial Battery and Charger Inc. warehouse over in Concord. So I'm going to take you guys with us there and show you a little bit about what IBCI is. There is team owner John Carroll taking the trash so his wife will not get on his ass. Better take that trash. Better take that trash.
That's what I'm made of right here.
Susan will get your ass. Here's the old Carroll Speed Shop in all of its glory. Before we get any further in the video, I wanted to show you this. We did it. We got our 2024 High Rock Vodka late model stock diecast produced from Lionel Racing. Thanks to you guys, we hit MOQ on this car. So that's super cool. This is actually our second Huffman Racing diecast ever to be produced. There is 576 of these babies made. So that's super cool. If you missed the pre-order though, I did something different this year. If you missed the pre-order, I actually purchased some extra cars from Lionel and I have them up on my merchandise store now. I'll drop a link right here, and in the description, I have a non-autographed and an autographed version of this baby available on my store. $65 for the non-autographed, $75 for the autographed. I'm gonna pull this thing out and show it to you real quick. So there she is, guys, 2024. This was Jasmine. So our black car, we got the matte finish up top with the gloss decals and the reflective silver numbers. This is car number 57. Shout out 2025 for Carroll Speed Shop. So if you guys want one of these diecasts, they are available on my website, landonhuffman.shop or grassrootsglobal.shop. Like I said, links in the description for the non-autographed and the autographed version. All right, back to the video.
So would it spin at all or not really?
It's a nice jacket you got on there.
I'm prepared.
You have one for me?
I know.
I don't have a single cold weather Carroll Speed Shop, IBCI, anything.
I can get you a Carroll Speed Shop one.
I don't even have that. Hey, old pup dog. I ain't seen you in a minute. Oh, you're so big. Oh my goodness.
Behind on
So currently the only two cars we have are the car I ran at Wilkesboro, and then that's Brandon's Hedgecock car that he ran at Florence. They sold the white car that I ran in the South Carolina 400, which I didn't make a video on. But this is the car I ran at Wilkesboro. And then Brandon's ran that car most of the time, but we're buying two brand new cars, or we're going to build them. They have them on order, so that is what they're waiting on at the moment, is a new car for over there and a new car for here for the car store season. So like I said, we met here. We're going to go over to Industrial Battery and Charger Inc. in Concord. It's their Concord plant, and we're going to tour the plant. I'm just going to show you guys a few bits and pieces of that and kind of explain what IBCI is. And they're going to be a big part of our car store season this year and everything we do here at Carroll Speed Shop. They've been a partner of Justin's for a long time. We're going over there now, and we're going to check it out and see what all they have to offer. And I'm going to show you guys. That way you know exactly what IBCI is when you see it on my race car this year.
Yeah. She got a decorator coming. He's retraying these batteries. What he does here is he takes all new cells and puts in a new tray. And we trade batteries. We don't make the cell, so we don't manufacture, but we do some assembling. We like them.
So mainly IBCI's, mostly everything they do is forklift batteries. Now they do have like chargers and things like that, but when I thought of forklift battery, I think of just a forklift that rides around in, you know, a warehouse that might be moving pallets up and down. But that's not exactly everything. Like there's massive batteries here, small batteries. Each one serves as a counterweight, which is really cool. But we're talking about any type of lift. So maybe like a boat lift in a dockyard, or, you know, regular forklift, or a ride around forklift, or even the dolly deals that ride around for like United Airlines or something like that at an airport. They make the batteries that go into those electric vehicles or electric pieces of machinery. Even like a Zamboni on an NHL game for a hockey game, they make the battery that goes into that because most of them are electric. So like forklifts that we have at the shop, or the one we have at the shop, it runs on propane. Well, that's starting to weed out, and it used to be about 20% battery, 80% propane, and what they were just telling us now is kind of the battery side of things is taken over, and it's now 80% electric on the forklifts that you see in plants and things like that for like maybe a Toyota or something of that nature, and then 20% on the propane side. So the battery stuff has actually started to take over more. Hey Dom, your truck squats like it had one of these batteries sitting on the back of it. You got a Carolina squatter, don't you?
More of a lean. From IBCI battery.
Loser! Yeah. So the hood you saw earlier was on Justin's car in 2017 for the 40th anniversary of IBCI. So Justin took his car and brought it to their couple of company parties, and then they ended up giving them the hood, and everybody that was at the party signed it. So that's pretty cool. But Justin's had IBCI as a sponsor, I think, pretty much for the entirety of his career. So it's pretty cool to be able to drive for Justin and still carry on that family sponsor that they've had for a long time. So all these batteries that they have in the middle of the first warehouse, which we're in now, are all loaner batteries. So when a battery goes bad in a forklift, they bring it in. IBCI actually services it over there, and then these are the like loaner batteries that go to them while the forklift battery is being reworked or refurbished or maintenance or whatever it may be. Hey, where are we going to eat?
What are we going to eat then? Want to go to the 21 JR? A little cheeseburger
We're
joint?
going to the Leather and Laces. What was it called?
Yeah.
What was it? What was that called? What's it called?
I don't know, something like that.
John, what was that eating joint called?
Oh, Leather and Lace.
Was that what? Yeah.
Yes.
I heard they had a really good lunch buffet.
Yes.
Open 24/7.
Yeah.
So as you can tell, Tim is very...
We just got back to the shop, and then we were talking about how long IBCI has been a part of Justin's racing career. Look at that young whippersnapper. That's the old IBCI Industrial Battery Charger Inc. number 57 Bandolero. You were a Bando kid, huh?
I was a Bando kid.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. He was on his Bando and then Legends car, which I don't know if there's any Legends car pictures here. Is there?
The Do 2018.
I think I crashed in that race.
The track came up really bad.
Yeah. That kind of looks like our Martinsville car this year that we didn't make the race in.
Yeah, we don't talk about those days.
So IBCI has helped for a long time. Oh yeah, here we go. Man. My family keeps asking when I'm going to have a child, but I have 2 cats, so that pretty much keeps us busy for a while. But this is what Justin just got made for his new little son, Colson. So he also is piloting an IBCI machine. It's just looks like our Martinsville car as well. So hopefully it's faster than that one was. All right, I'll see you later. Look, Blue Van still gets its love. Just because we've got a new tow vehicle doesn't mean the Blue Van doesn't get its service time. All right, we're back at our Huffman Racing Shop today. This is the day after I went to IBCI, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Got a little sneak peek of what they do, and now when you see the IBCI logo on our Carroll Speed Shop number 57 next year, you will know exactly what they do and have an idea of what their business is. So with that being said, we're going to finish this video. I've got a package here from Sugarlands Distilling Company and my friends at High Rock. We're going to open it up, see what it is. It's also cold as hell today, which we're getting snow this weekend apparently, so that'll be, I guess, interesting. Maybe I'll have to stream on Twitch while it's snowing outside since there's nothing else to do. But we're going to jump into this package, see what we got, and that's where we're going to end the video. So thank you to Sugarlands. They sent all of us a hoodie with Sugarlands Distilling Company, Smokey the Bear, sipping on some moonshine. And I don't know, it looks like RJ in about 20 years right there. Maybe 40 years. RJ in 40 years, probably. Shout out to Sugarlands for the hookup. Give the guys one of those. Be perfect for the cold weather. And moving into the new 2025 racing season. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I just wanted to give a background on IBCI and also give you guys an update. We're working in the shop tonight, so hopefully I'll record another video and you guys will be seeing that in the coming days. We'll see kind of how everything unfolds, and hopefully I can keep pumping out videos for you guys. But make sure you check out the Diecast if you don't have one already. I've got some. They will be available on my merch trailer at all the car store races this year in 2025. So if you don't want to order one online or pay shipping, you can get one at the racetrack. Or if you're not coming to the racetrack at any point in time, or you're, 8 hours away, you can always buy one online. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.